What's up, guys? Brian here. We worked the dump truck today and we got night shift, but the dump truck is broken right now. So this right here is the tailgate air cylinder. You can tell it was welded at one point. See it? You can tell just because there's gunk on, there's metal on the end of it. But they didn't do a good job welding it to this cast iron piece. So we're gonna try welding that because we gotta work tonight and I don't got time to figure something out. So we're gonna re-weld that. They closed. Okay, that means it works. Sweet. All right, time to pick up everything. Then I gotta take a shower, and then I gotta head out again. I got second shift already, and I'm filthy. I'm disgusting. So I'm gonna take another shower. So thanks for watching, guys. I had to get this, you know, because I know you guys love the repair videos. But let me tell you what, doing video when you're in a rush like this is so hard to get any good video. I mean, it's just hard. It's hard to get any good video, guys. So I'm doing my best, you know, bear with me. I'm doing my best to bring you guys some good content. It's just really tough, you know. I don't have time to clean anything if I'm gonna take a shower. You know, it's just life of owner operator, I guess. You know, constantly working, constantly grinding. Today was a good day though. Oh man, we made some good money today. We made some good money today. Hey buddy. Anyways guys, catch you later.